सबको अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. My name is Masira Fatema. Good morning, respected headmaster, teachers, and my dear friends. Today is 26th January. Today we are celebrating the Republic Day of India. It is a very important day for our country. On this day in 1950, our constitution came into force. Our constitution gives us rights and tells us our duties. It helps our country to run in a fair way. We remember and respect Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and all freedom fighters who worked hard our nation. Because of them, we live in a free country today. Our national flag has three colors. It has saffron, white and green colors. The Ashok Chakra is in the middle. It shows truth and honesty. Let us promise to be good students and good citizens. Let us keep our country clean and strong. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. सबको अस्सलाम वालेकुम.